welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandria. I'm here today to do a new video. I have two looks for you guys and we're using a palette, and the palette here is Beauty Glazed Must Have palette. I had a tutorial last week. I know this video is a little late, but remote learning has been keeping me busy and we did the gorgeous palette, if I'm correct, and I did 3 looks. Before we get into it and showing you the palettes inside, I only created 2 looks with this, so just 2 for this time. I didn't create 3, but they're 2 fun looks, very easy, and I shared the foundation this time around in my video. I usually just add it below in the description box, but this time I actually added it in the video. But real quick, I wanted to introduce myself, like, for anybody who's new to the channel. I am Alexandria, or also Alex. I am a beauty creator here on YouTube, and I also have an Instagram where I feature other fun stuff as fashion and etc. So if you're interested in any of those stuff, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, just that would be great. So here's the palette right here, and let's open it up. So on the website, well, I got it on Amazon, so also know anything that I put of Amazon, I do earn a small commission. So base, it's a little dusty because it has a little bit of fallout, but on the description it does say it is waterproof, and I haven't tested that out. So I wanted to pick this up because I do have oily lids, and I felt like having something that says that is waterproof to go ahead and see how well it holds on my eyes. I haven't seen no creasing on the first look, and so far with this one I don't see any creasing into usually where I get it inside the crease. I usually crease up because my lids are so oily, but well, so far it has been doing quite well, so I cannot complain. It has held so well on my oily crease. So as obviously it's not fully matte, but there are some shimmer shades here and some matte shades, and really nice colors for fall, and you could kind of mix them around here on the palette. If I had to give it a rating out of 4 out of 5, I would just say it's almost a 4, just because there are my dog just because I had to use the gorgeous gorgeous palette, right, Gorgeous Me palette right here, just for when it came to the eyebrow bone. It did not have like really good colors of transitional shades like this one right here. They didn't have that for this palette. So if you're a person who likes to use that to like go ahead and add that into your brow bone, it doesn't really have that. So that's kind of why I kind of knock it down for a star. But besides that, the quality is really good on this palette, very affordable, and yeah, so it's really not much I could say about it. It's a basic eyeshadow palette with some color, and they all perform very well. I did create 2 great looks. I will probably create more looks with this, and after I share with you guys some other palettes that I picked up, and also some palettes that I picked up from a Facebook seller. She was doing some auctions of palettes, so I picked up like 2 of those, and then I picked up 2 other ones from another brand that I'm like a huge fan of them. And I have done a review on both of their shadows here in my channel, so that will be on the upcoming videos. But I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit about this palette. So not bad, like I said, for the pricing. The pricing will be on the screen. Expiration date is 24 months, so you have a good year, 2 years of using this palette. But overall, yeah, it's pretty good. If you want to pick it up, I'll link it below. But I created 2 looks for you using this palette, and yeah, so let me know which of the looks you guys enjoyed, and let me know. And thank you so much for watching the video, and I see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
I begin to.
For sure.